Hey, it's Andrea from Harvest Homestead again, and we're fixing to make dinner. We're going to have pizza, homemade pizza. We're going to have a pepperoni, and we're also going to have a chicken bacon ranch. So we got to start by getting ready the chicken and the bacon. We're just going to bake it, and I have found for the bacon, the best way to do it is just to put it on a pan and throw it in the oven. It makes it quick and easy. Okay, we'll come back when we get it started. So now we've got the chicken and the bacon in the oven. We're going to go on and get the crust started. Okay, so we put in 4.5 teaspoons of yeast. We're doubling the recipe because we make big pizzas. 2, maybe 3, 4. And then we just add 2 cups of warm water to it. And then we just stir it up, and we're going to wait at least 5 minutes, or better if you wait 10 minutes, to let it get all foamy and done. Okay, the yeast has bubbled up, and now we're going to start adding the flour. We'll add 5 cups of bread flour. That's double the recipe again. You can use all-purpose flour, but bread flour is a lot better. But if you don't have it, all-purpose will work in a pinch. Okay. And just a second, we got to get some salt. Okay, now we need to add 2 teaspoons of salt since we're doubling it. Just plain salt is all you need. Okay. And a 1/4 cup of oil. And I use a wooden spoon because it makes it easier to get it to go together. So we'll just mix this up. And it will start to form a ball when it's ready. Okay, it's starting to form a ball a little bit. Okay, you can just use your hands to get it to go all together. Okay, and we don't have to let this rise. We just get our pan and roll it out on there, and we'll be back to do that in just a minute. Okay, we have the dough. It's all ready to go. We're just going to put it on our pan here. Flatten it out. Then we'll just roll it out. Oops, a little bit sticky.
Are you okay? She's going right over her butt. What happened? It wasn't something else. Broken. Is it broken? Or is it right here? Oh. Here. Where is it? It's right there. Put it on there. You can do it. Oh, now you want me to do it?
Okay, this is going to take me a little while, so I'm going to pause it here, and I'll be back whenever I have it completely rolled out.
Good.
Okay, so now we have it all rolled out on the pan, good. And we're just going to take a fork and poke some holes in it. That makes for when you cook it, it does not bubble up and pop. So that's that, and we're now next we will be putting our sauce and toppings on it. Okay, this is the chicken bacon ranch after we took it out of the oven. Looks really tasty. I'm gonna cut it up, and then we'll be able to eat it. Okay, there it is. We will be eating this.
Hey y'all, just got done working, coming in and cleaning up, sit down, eating some dinner. Boy, let me tell you, it was good. It was pizza. Y'all ought to try it. Wife's supposed to leave the recipe down below, I think. Sitting here with the old dog, she likes it too. Y'all like, subscribe, share, hit the bell. We'd appreciate it. Y'all come back now, you hear?